Today we are going to solve practice set 9 of the lesson Operations on Fractions. So let's start. Practice set 9, Convert into improper fractions. Here are some examples of mixed numbers which we have to convert into improper fraction. So first example, is 7 integers 2 upon 5. We have to convert this mixed number 7 integers 2 upon 5 into improper fraction. We know that in this mixed number there is 7 as whole number and 2 upon 5 as a fraction. So we can write 7 integers 2 upon 5 as 7 plus 2 upon 5. Now we can write 7 as 7 upon 1 plus 2 upon 5. We know that addition of fraction numbers is possible only when the denominators are equal. So making the denominators equal, we can write 1 into 5. If we multiply by 5 in the denominator, we have to multiply the 5 in the numerator. And we have to add 2 plus 5. So it will be 7 5 is 35 upon 5 plus 2 upon 5. Now the denominators are like, so we can add, which will be equal to there are same denominators, so we can write 5 in the denominator and we can add 35 plus 2. 35 plus 2, which is equal to 37 upon 5. 35 plus 2 is 37. 37 upon 5. So we have converted mixed number into improper fraction. In the same way, we can convert the second example, 5 integers 1 upon 6. 5 integers 1 upon 6. 5 integers 1 upon 6 can be written as 5 plus 1 upon 6, which we can write 5 as 5 upon 1 plus 1 upon 6. Now multiplying 1 by 6, we get 1 into 6. Multiply numerator also by 6. Now we have this. Now we have in the denominator 6 ones are 6, 5 6 are 30 plus 1 upon 6. Now we have made the denominators like, so in the denominator if we write 6, we can add 30 plus 1, which is equal to 31 upon 6. So in this example also we have converted this mixed number into improper fraction. Likewise, we can convert this 4 integers 3 upon 4, 2 integers 5 upon 9, 1 integers 5 upon 7 into improper fraction. Now in the next example, 4 integers 3 upon 4, 4 integers 3 upon 4, we can write 4 plus 3 upon 4. We can write 4 as 4 upon 1 plus 3 upon 4, which will be equal to Now making the denominators equal, 1 into 4, 4 into 4 plus 3 upon 4, we get 4 4s are 16, 16 upon 4 plus 3 upon 4. Now denominators are equal, we can write 4 in the denominator, 16 plus 3 is equal to 19, 16 and 3 is 19, 19 upon 4, 16 plus 3 upon 4 is 19 upon 4. We have converted mixed number into improper fraction. Similarly, in the fourth example, two integers 5 upon 9, we can solve it as fourth example. Fourth example is two integers 5 upon 9. Two integers 5 upon 9, we can solve it as 2 plus 5 upon 9, which can be written as 2 upon 1 plus 5 upon 9, which is equal to 2 upon 1 into 9, this 9, multiplied by 9 plus 5 upon 9, which is equal to 9 to the 18, 18 upon 9 plus 5 upon 9. Now these are like fractions, so we can add, putting the denominators in the denominator, we can add 18 plus 5, which is equal to 18 and 5 makes 23 upon 9. So we have converted this mixed number into improper fraction, 23 upon 9. In this way, we can also convert one integers 5 upon 7 into improper fraction. Now we will solve second question. Convert into mixed number. We have to convert all these numbers into mixed number. These numbers are improper fractions. So we'll write first example, 30 upon 7. 30 upon 7 is improper fraction. In improper fraction, numerator is always greater than denominator. So we can divide 30 by 7. We can divide 30 by 7. By dividing 30 by 7, we get 7 4s are 28. 30 minus 28 is 2. Here 7 is divisor, 4 is quotient, and 2 is remainder. So improper fraction 30 upon 7 can be written as 4 whole number, 2 remainder, 2 upon 7. In this way, we have converted improper fraction into mixed number. Now let us see another example. 7 upon 4. Second one, 7 upon 4. We can divide 7 by 4. 7 divided by 4, which is equal to, if we divide 7 by 4, we get 4 ones are 4, minus 7 minus 4 is 3. We can write this improper fraction as 1 integer 3 upon 4. So we have converted 7 upon 4 into mixed number for an integer 3 upon 4. In the same way, we can convert 15 upon 12, 11 upon 8, 21 upon 4 and 20 upon 7 into mixed number.